In this tutorial, we're going to be exploring some of 3ds Max features and tools to create an apartment or bedroom. So the first thing we're going to do is use a box, and I'm just going to model it up however it is. And then we're going to change the length to, for example, 10 meters. We want this apartment, and we're going to do 0.3 meters for the outdoor exterior walls, and we want the height to be 4 meters. And put that, and then next to that point, I'm going to create another wall, for example, and we're going to have this one as 0.3 meters, another exterior wall, and let's just say 15 meters wide and height at 4. So that is our exterior walls. I'm going to go into top view, and what you can do is right click, create a clone, make another copy, and just move it to the other side. And same with this one. So now that we've got this, I'm going to make another clone of this and move it, for example, here. And I'm just going to change that to 0.15 for that interior wall. For example, it's a bedroom, let's say, in this instance. This is very similar to using Rhino, but it's just further exploration in 3ds Max. For example, if you wanted to play around with its shading, well, you can model this in Rhino and put it into 3ds Max and do the shading, if that's what you were looking at doing. Okay, so now let's say this is a part of our building, and we want to model in some doors and some windows. This is fairly easy. What you're just going to do is create another box, however it is, and then you're going to change the length. So we still want the height at 4 meters. We want our door to be, let's say, 2 meters wide, and then the length, you can sort of exaggerate this a little bit. Sorry, the height of the door, not up 2 meters. Let's say we want it to be not 4 meters. We want the door to be 2 meters high. So let's say, for example, this is a double door, so we'll do it at 2 meters. What you're going to do is selecting that box, you're going to go and in the modifier list and search for Boolean, and we're going to do subtract. So we want this to be subtracted from that. Sorry, vice versa. So first select on the wall, and then you want to type in Boolean, subtract this one, and there we go. We've got a door opening now into our building, which is great. And for the windows, for example, it's a very similar thing that you do. So let's say you want to create a more of a circular window. Going to rotate it. And then we're going to move that up. sorry, before you do Boolean for the circle, we're going to do bevel because we want it to be extruded. And we've got our bevel. We're going to change the height to, say, turns a bit excessive, let's say 5 meters. We're going to put that through this wall, and let's make a clone. We want 2 of these windows next to each other, for example. And then what you're going to do once again is select on that first the wall surface that you're wanting to subtract from. So select the wall. You've got your Boolean already patched in there, and then you select subtract, and we're going to select both of these circles, and now we've got our windows for our building. So that is just some very basic tools that you can use, which include the basic shapes, Boolean, bevel for extrusions, to create your own apartment layouts in 3dsMax. Thank you.